Alright guys, there it is, SlingCatcher, live and in person. And we are going to get to learn all about it thanks to this guy here, our old friend, Matt Feinstein. Say hi, Matt.
Hi.
So Matt is going to take us through SlingCatcher. Every little thing it does. I've only had to look at it work for about 5 minutes, and I'm already blown away by some of the things that I've seen. So Matt, just take it away.
Sure. So SlingCatcher, this is our first public demonstration here at CES of the product, and what you can do with SlingCatcher is connect it to your home television and then bring content to your TV, either from a Slingbox or from a PC. And so I'll show you those features very quickly, but it's the first product we're offering that's bringing the Sling experience to the television. So the first thing it can do is actually, as I mentioned, take content from a Slingbox anywhere in the world and display it on your television. So the beauty of that, of course, is that you can take content from, whether it's a DVR in the living room and moving that to the bedroom TV where you have the SlingCatcher, or from your DVR in the living room to your house in in a remote location, say a vacation home, for example. It can do either of those things. So I'll show you that feature very quickly here on the television, if you can pan to that. What we're showing here is actually a connection to a Slingbox Solo that we have. It could be any Slingbox, so it's compatible with any Slingbox. And this Slingbox is here on the network in our booth at CES, and it's actually streaming live to the television here from Dish Network. And so you can see it's pretty decent video quality. This is high definition television, so it's taking the standard definition content from Slingbox and upscaling it onto the high def TV. So you can do anything you can do with our PC or mobile Sling players with the SlingCatcher remote control. So for example, I can access the program guide on SlingCatcher, and from there I can navigate the program guide, change channels, set up recordings, play back my content that's saved if it's a DVR on the DVR. So basically it gives you that full range of functionality you get with PC Sling player, but in a 10-foot television experience. That's the first feature of the product that I think is very noteworthy. The second thing is actually, so it can take content off of a PC and display that on your television. So we'll show you here is actually, I have a monitor here to show you my PC desktop. And when you buy SlingCatcher, you get a little software application called Sling Projector. That's shown here in where my mouse is in the corner. So it basically can grab anything on the TV, on the PC, and display it on the television. So what I can do with that is, I'll give an example here from Cinema Now. Say this is a movie I bought from Cinema Now and loaded onto my laptop here. I can press this button on the Sling Projector application. It will automatically connect to my SlingCatcher. So now you'll see the video on the PC will appear onto the television. And then I can play back that video. So this lets me take stuff that I can normally only do on my PC or do on the TV. It could be this file-based content, or it could be streaming video from YouTube or anywhere else on the internet. And we're working on the user interface, so what you can do with it is grab, it automatically detects different windows, compatible windows on the desktop, so when it senses a video window, it automatically snaps to that, and then I can click the mouse and it appears on the television. It can also be used if I want to display pictures or graphics. For example, I want to just display like a part of something on the display. I can grab a little send that to the television as well. So you can grab pictures and graphics for presentation purposes, or it could be your pictures you're sharing of your vacation, you're sharing with your friends, anything like that. So that's a quick demonstration of Sling Projector. So the last piece of SlingCatcher that's interesting is with this application here is you can actually connect a hard disk drive to basically any USB storage device. It doesn't have to be a hard disk, it could be a plastic. Also playback media files from that hard disk on the TV. So basically any video files that you've downloaded, MPEG-2, MPEG-4, H.264, Windows Media, plug in the disk drive with the content to SlingCatcher, and then what you can do is select the Sling Sync menu here on the TV, and that automatically scans the disk drive, and then what I can do, it presents me video and audio files on this, and I can, at my leisure, kind of scroll through this and find files that are interesting. I've got some recorded content in here that's in MPEG-2 720p, and play that onto the TV. So in a way, it's media player, universal media player type functionality, and that it's multi-codec capable and lets you bring all your video podcasts and home movies and whatever stuff you've downloaded onto the TV. So that's the quick demo of SlingCatcher.